Hi guys, I hope you're all doing great. Welcome to Angular material series. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use grid list component. Are you ready? Let's get started. Open your browser and type Angular material. And this is the official website, the first link, material.angular.io. Open that. Click on component, and here we have all the component from Angular materials, and today we will use grid list. As you can see here, grid list. Click on that, and yeah, that's grid list. And okay, let me open my Visual Studio Code to see in action how we can use it. Open my repository, open folder. On my desktop I have a project which is Angular material. Open that. Today we will use Angular grid list, Angular material grid list. So first you should copy the markup, okay, and paste it in an app.component.html. And the second thing, you should import mat grid list module from Angular material grid list. So copy that and paste in your module, app module.ts. Here you should add, and also add in your import array mat grid list module. That's it. Save it and run the project ng serve. So the project compiled successfully, and now let's host the project, localhost. As you can see, first, second, third, and fourth. So the grid has 2 columns and 2 rows. Let's let me style the background by using ng style background color, for example blue. Save it. Okay, let's cut or not background color, border. Let's give the border 2 pixel black. Border 1 pixel. Okay, and also let's change the background color of each cell. For example, border no background color background color should be black. Why it is not working? Oh yeah, forget it. So this is the grid, and we have two column, but we can define the column, for example 3, and let's see. As you can see, now we have 3 column and 2 rows. If we add, for example, math grid tile, as you can see, 5. See, 5. If we add math grid tile 6, that's how we can set column and row in our grid. Yeah, that's how you can use it. Very easy, very easy. And I hope, for example, home, for example, about, for example, sidebar, navbar, and that's how we can, as you can see, we can define the row and column in our grid list. So thank you guys for watching. If you have any question, drop them in the comment section. I will be very happy to help you out with that. See you in the next video.